Okay, so let's start. And I think we are in chapter number 3, the latter part of the chapter number 3. And most of the exercises we did. And this is, wait. Most of the exercises we did. We discuss about what is a file. We discuss about the desktop area and icons. And we discuss about different operating systems. And I asked you to write this at home. In your computer, find 10 files with file extensions and write down here, right? And also, so extension and the application which is used to open the file. So let's say, okay, let me write some files, and you have to tell me the application which is going to use, which you are going to use to open this file. Okay, here's my first example. Let me copy this. Okay, and paste it here. You can see. Right, let's say my file is grade 6A dot, and my file extension is let's say pptx. So can you tell me the file type and the application which is going to open the software? Type of software is
PowerPoint.
Microsoft PowerPoint.
Yes, type of software is presentation, right? Presentation is the type of software, and you are going to open it. Example, name of the software, you can say Microsoft
PowerPoint.
Okay. Likewise, you have to fill this. And the file is like, you can say file is a binary file. File is a binary file. Binary file means it has text plus images both.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So correct Google Docs
Yes, we did this. I'm just remembering this. I know that we did this. We have completed this part. Okay, then, so I'm just asking you whether you can remember this stuff. PPTX. Now, if file is JPG, if file is JPG, so what is that? JPG means if extension is MP4 and if extension is EXE. I just want you to know these things. If extension is PDF, if extension is, let's say, if extension is TXT, and if extension is HTML, if the extension is SB, or if extension is MP3, and if extension is let's say XLSX. Okay, can you tell me the file types? Can you tell me the type of software which is going to open this?
Video player.
JPG is a picture.
Photo viewer.
Yes, photo viewer or picture viewer. MP4.
Video player.
Video player, correct. Okay, good. You can remember, that is good. Right, video player. So better you can remember this, right? Then EXE.
media play
Picture viewer. This is, you can say Microsoft, or you can say photo viewer or Paint can be used. Video player, so you can use Windows Media Player. or you can use VLC. EXE, yes, EXE. Can you tell me where EXEs are used? EXE? It is?
Download.
It's an application. It's an application program. So how it is opened? It's opened using application launcher. And so what about PDF?
Adobe Reader.
Focus reader.
PDF Reader.
Yes, PDF is PDF reader.
Focus reader.
Yes, the examples, you can say Foxy,
Acrobat Reader.
Acrobat, Acrobat, Foxy,
Microsoft.
Acrobat reader, Foxy reader. And Microsoft PDF. TXT is a
Text document.
text document or text file. So how we are going to open? Notepad.
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 Yes, HTML. It is web document. You are going to use. So how we are viewing web browser?
Web browser.
Yes, there are different web browsers: Firefox,
Opera.
Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, Edge, MP3. MP3 is a digital audio.
Audio.
Yes, you can use Windows Media Player or VLC Media Player to open that. XLSS. XLSS.
Groove Music.
Yes, it is XLSS. Excel, it is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet, you have to use Microsoft Excel to open that. Yes, Microsoft Excel. So if you cannot remember, kindly write down this, right? Otherwise, like in the middle, you will struggle. So this is a binary file. This is also a binary file. And it has graphics basically. And this is also a binary file. It's a video. EXE is a binary file. It's application. PDF is a binary file having images and graphics both. TXT is a text file. HTML is a text file. MP3 is a binary file. Binary means it has, so it's basically binary files, audio. If you have other than something, if you have other than text, if you have some other things, that is called binary file. If text only, then it is called text file. Excel is also a binary file. Yeah, you are having. So maybe in your school, you might get different answer, right? But I'm giving exactly correct answer. In your school, you might get different answer because here it's docx is given as a text file, which is wrong. So I don't agree because docx is not a text file. Word document, you can put pictures. Then how come it become a text file? In Word document, you can pick actually this is actual answer for this is binary file because it has pictures and text both. You can't open it using just text editor. It's actually a binary file.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why. So if you search in the internet, you will get that as a binary file. So that's why this answer is wrong. But anyway, it's given in the book. So you have to agree with that. But point is, this is like, it has text and binary both, right?
So what application are you editing PDF now?
So I'm just using Mac OS, and by default I can edit. I can put text over. Mac OS just PDF reader or file preview. I can just use this without having additional software. Right? That feature is there in preview or the Mac file view. So I'm not, but anyway, you are given some PDF software by the practical people. They have given some PDF editor, online PDF editor. You can use that to edit PDF if you want. Okay, so please write down this. Done. So I have not given file names. You can put any name, right? Maybe you can put names like, let's say, Abinu, Devdisi, Dilansa, Adulneta, Heshani, Kevin, and Manud, Maria, Sophia, Rona, Tisal, Venita. Likewise, you can put any name for the file name. That is up to you. So I have not given that. You can put any name, maybe your name. For all files, you can put your name. That is also okay. For all files, because file name can be same, but different extension. You can have the same file name, but different extension. Right, but not now here. So let's draw a picture using MS. So this one actually we did. So here they have named the MS. So I just want you to know these components. What is number one? Number one, what is that? This area, what is that?
Undo.
Sorry?
Redo. Undo.
Yeah, all this redo, undo, everything. What is that?
Quick access bar.
Yes, that is quick access bar. Then number three. What is number three? Yeah, it's paint buttons. Paint tools, paint buttons, everything here. Paint tools, paint buttons, paint tools and buttons. And then what is number four?
Drawing.
It's a drawing area. Number two.
Drawing area.
Number two.
File.
Yes, file, home, view. These are called ribbons. File ribbon, home ribbon, view ribbon.
Open.
Yes, these are ribbons, not open, right? Open gun, open is a ribbon item. Here you can see home ribbon, insert ribbon, draw ribbon, design ribbon. When ribbon changes, the required underneath this, whatever the tools under that will also be changed. When you go to home ribbon, different set of tools. When you go to insert ribbon, different set of tools. When you go to draw ribbon, different set of tools. Design ribbon, different set of tools. Anyway, these are called ribbons. When you change the ribbon, set of tools will also be changed. Okay, now so this is wrong, no? 3 is ribbon, 2 is quick access. No. 1 is the quick access toolbar. 1 is quick access toolbar. 3 you can take as buttons, and 2 is pointing to the ribbon. So they have like changed this.
Yes.
Right? You have to, maybe this graphic has some errors, like this file, home, view, those are ribbons. File, home, view, those are ribbons. So then if you point to these clipboard, images, tools, all these are tools in the ribbon. 1 is quick access toolbar and not paint buttons, right? 1 is not paint buttons for sure.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, අපි Microsoft Word වලට sir ගියාම ඒකේ minimize the ribbon කියන එක එපුවාම sir ඒ වුණාට මේ minimize වෙන්නේ අර
Minimize to ribbon.
minimize the ribbon කියන එක sir
When you
එක
right
pic
click, you
එක-
will get that, no?
yes sir
When you right click, you will get that. So here in my one, I'm not getting, but I have this part. So that will do that. Yeah. So your one should do that. Is it not happening?
sir where should I click it
Here in the corner. So okay, share the window, then I'll tell what to do. Can you share the window quickly? Please share it. Yeah, click on the minimize ribbon.
yeah it's I got it
Okay. Right. Okay. Good. It's happening, no?
thank you sir
Okay. Come. Right. Okay. Let's go back and discuss this quickly, and then we learn about the paint tools: select tool, crop tool, resize tool, rotate tool. Actually, we have learned all these things: pencil, paint bucket, text, eraser, brush, and different shapes also. Yes, we learn about the polygons, different shapes like oval, rectangle, and we have even used this one, this polygon tool, which is missing here. That's why I did. Okay. Polygon tool. Is it missing? Yeah, it's missing. This is the polygon tool, and I have explained that, right? How to draw using polygon tool. All other tools are different shapes, other shapes. Okay, then actually we did this as well. So can you tell me the file types that you can save in Paint? What are the file types you can save in Paint?
JPG,
Okay,
PNG,
PNG,
BMP,
BMP,
GIF.
GIF. Those are the 4 file types. And how to check that? So again, please can you share your screen, then we can show it to others, because we did it in single medium class and others should know. When you go to MS Paint, please go to MS Paint and open the application. Okay, now we go to the file menu and then select save as. Don't go to save as, just select it. File, save as, and now you can see PNG, JPG, BMP, GIF, and you can see the description also. Save the photo, draw in a high quality for the web. Second one is good quality. Second one is again high quality, right? Any kind of picture. So this is not just for photo, for any kind of picture. And GIF is for simple drawing with low quality. Right? So you can save in all 4 formats. Okay, let's switch back to our window and let's write down these formats. Okay, just so please write down there related to this question. So no, this is not the answer, right? You can save using any name, but there are 4 basic types which support MS Paint. So what are those files? So you know the types which support MS Paint, and so number 1 is JPG, number 2 is PNG, number 3 is GIF, and number 4 is BMP. So there are meanings to these types. There are meanings: JPG, PNG, and BMP, and there are meanings, right? So JPG, or you can say JPG. So it can be JPE, JPEG, or JPG. Meaning is joint photography expert group. Please write down. Joint photography expert group. PNG stands for portable network graphics.
Sir,
Yes.
අපේ normal writing book එකේ ලියා ගන්නද නැත්නම් workbook එකේ ලියා ගන්නද?
Workbook එකේම ලියන්න එපා පුතේ. මම කියලා තියෙනවා workbook එකේ ලියන්න එපා කියලා. Please write it in a separate book. So which you have to tell that is the writing book for workbook. Why don't write in this workbook? Because you are going to use it in the school. So another way is use an online PDF editor and edit your PDF. That is the next easy way to do that. You can use online PDF editor and edit this. GIF, graphic interchange format. BMP is bitmapped images. So those are the 4 possible types, picture files types or graphic file types that you can say. Okay, quickly write down that. The next thing is basically, so here, this one is like easy, how to copy a file, and yeah, how to copy a file, how to cut a file, and how to close a file or close a window, and how to maximize, minimize. These things we discuss, right? Okay, so just to see whether you can remember, so how to close a file? Yes, how to close a file?
Alt F4.
Alt F4. And there is a suggestion in your book. You can use Control W. Check whether it's working.
Yes, sir.
Control W, yeah, that is also working, right? So close a file. So Control W. So how to close a file? Basically, you have to go to the file menu and close it. Okay, let's write down quickly and do the practical related to this. That's why I said there's a practical part also, right? But anyway, we have to go with the book, right? How to close a file? You have to go to the file menu and close it. So CLOSE, file close. So that is how you close a file. And then what is the shortcut? So there are few shortcuts to do this. One is you can go to you can type, so it's small. One is Alt ALT plus F4. That is one shortcut. CTRL plus W is another one. Or you can press ALT plus space, and after that you can press C. Is there any way to close the file? Any other way to close the file? Yes? Any other method? What is that?
Alt and F4.
Yeah, that is given here. Then those are shortcuts. So any other mechanisms to close the file? Yes, there are some other mechanisms. That is very simple mechanism, I know. What is that? Simply shut down your computer.
Shut down the computer?
Yes, shut down your computer. It will automatically close the file. Copy in a file. Copy in a file, you can go to right click on the file and select copy. And here right click on the file and select cut. We'll cut the file. Right click on the file and right click on empty area. or folder and paste it. That is how you paste the file. Shortcuts. So what are the shortcuts? Copying shortcuts? Yes, tell me while writing.
Yes, sir.
What is a shortcut for copying a file? Control plus
Control V.
C. It's Control plus C. And there's another way to do that, and that is Control and insert. Any other ways to do this? Yes, you can press Control and drag. So here also the shortcut is Control V to paste, or you can say Shift insert. Control V or Shift insert. Here Control X is the way to cut the file. So this is, you can just drag the file to new location. Pasting is done in the way actually. So this will paste. So Control drag. Actually, this will copy and paste. So no need to write another method to paste, because this will do the both, and this will cut and paste. Okay, please write down these ways, the shortcuts, and also the other methods. It's too small, right? Right, so I would like to see the practical implementing of this, and some of you who have not shared the screen before, so I'm giving chance to one of you. Can anyone take the chance and share the screen? So those who have not done this before, I would like, if newcomer can change it, take the chance. Venita, are you newcomer? It's okay. Windows D.